Ever feel lost? Like you're just drifting, no compass, no map.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Well, today we're taking a deep dive into that feeling, that whole being lost in life thing.
Yeah, sounds good.
We're looking at just one source for this one. A passage from a text called, well, pasted text. Not very descriptive, but hey, the content's what matters, right?
Right.
So first things first. This text kind of jumps right in, saying that feeling lost is, well, a universal experience.
Yeah, it really emphasizes that. Not some personal failure or anything, just something we all go through.
Like a part of growing up.
Exactly. It even says that it can be like a necessary stage of growth.
Okay, so I'm not the only one who feels like they're wandering in the wilderness sometimes.
Not at all. You're in good company.
Well, that's a relief. But the big question is, how do we get unlost? Does this pasted text thing offer any clues?
It does. It gives us really simple advice. Set a small goal, take action, and move forward one step at a time.
Simple, huh? I'm kind of skeptical, but go on.
But the thing is, it's all in the details. It's not just about picking any random small goal.
What do you mean?
Well, like when it says small goal, what does that even mean? The text doesn't exactly spell it out, does it?
No, not really. But it feels like it's talking about more than just the size of the goal.
Right. It's got to be the right kind of goal. Something that gets you out of your head and into the world, you know?
Like what? Got an example?
Well, it mentions learning a new skill, for example.
Okay, I see. So instead of just saying, I need to find my purpose, which feels huge and impossible.
Right. You'd say something like, I'm going to learn to play the ukulele.
The ukulele.
Yeah. The point is it's concrete. You can actually do it.
And way less intimidating than figuring out your whole life purpose.
Exactly. It's about taking these abstract, overwhelming goals and turning them into something you can actually achieve.
Okay, I'm getting that part. But how does that help you find your purpose?
Well, this is where it gets interesting. The text says that the purpose isn't found in all that overthinking.
It's not. Then where is it?
In the progress. It's all about the journey, not the destination.
Oh, I've heard that before.
Yeah, but think about it in this context. It's not about figuring everything out before you start moving.
It's more about taking that first step and then figuring things out along the way.
Exactly. It's like action before clarity. The text emphasizes that over and over.
Stop thinking, start doing.
Yep. Break free from the what if and what should I do loop and just do something, anything.
Even if it seems small.
Especially if it seems small. Because even a tiny action creates momentum.
And that little bit of movement can lead to bigger things.
You can lead to clarity. You start seeing things more clearly once you're in motion.
You know, this is reminding me of something I read about how our brains are wired.
Oh, yeah.
It said that we're not really meant to just sit and think our way out of problems.
Interesting. Makes sense, though.
We're supposed to get out there and interact with the world, and that's how we figure things out.
Totally. And you know, the text actually touches on that, too.
Does it?
It says that when you take action, even small steps, you're gathering information.
Data.
Yeah, like data points about yourself, what you like, what you're good at, what feels right.
Okay.
And then that information helps you make those bigger decisions and set bigger goals.
So it's like the more you do, the more you learn about yourself and the clearer your path becomes.
That's a great way to put it.
Okay, so to recap, if you're feeling lost, what's the takeaway here?
Don't get stuck overthinking everything.
Right, no more analysis paralysis.
Set a small, concrete goal, something that gets you out in the world interacting with it.
And then?
Take action. Baby steps, but take them. The path will show up as you go.
It all comes back to that, doesn't it? Action, action, action.
It really does. And one more thing.
What's that?
Be open to the journey. Don't get so fixated on the destination that you miss the scenery along the way.
Enjoy the detours, huh?
Especially the detours. That's where the good stuff is, usually.
Well, this has been a fascinating deep dive into, well, a very short piece of text.
Yeah. Pasted text didn't give us much to work with.
But it gave us enough to get us thinking.
Right.
And hopefully enough to get us doing.
That's the goal.
And it leaves us with a question, actually. What's one tiny step you listening right now can take today?
Ooh, good one.
To get unstuck. What one little action will get you moving? Maybe it's finally signing up for that online course you've been thinking about.
Or making a phone call you've been putting off.
Whatever it is, what's your first step?
Time to take action.
Until next time, happy
Okay.
exploring, everyone.